Hello guys, what's up? How you all doing, guys? Today we are doing Akara, guys. We are doing Akara and custard. Guys, as you can see, this is the beans. I've already washed it. I just grinded it for me to remove the black. You can see I've already removed a lot. I've already peeled it out. Right now, this is my onions and pepper and crayfish and mangi. Salt is over there. This is my custard. Lady B custard, guys. This is Lady B custard. If you remember Lady B custard, you see what I'm using. Yeah, I'm going to prepare custard and akara, guys. Just watch out. You are going to see I'm going to prepare my custard and akara, guys. This is the machine I'm going to use. If you check by this side, you can see ground oil already on the fire, guys. Let's get started. Let's get started, guys. Okay. I'm going to take it twice. I'm going to take it twice, guys. I'm taking it twice. Guys, right now, let me add a little curry powder to it. Let me add a little curry powder to it. Okay, yes guys, it's set now. Let's check it for the first time, guys. The oil is very hot right now. The oil is very hot. It's very hot. This is the blended beans plus all the spices mixed together, guys. We are starting with just 1 spoon, just a little bit. Let's just check it out. You see it? Do you see that? You cut again and put it. Do you see that? You cut again and put it. You see it? You cut again and put. That is how you will be doing it. That is how you will be doing it. Okay, let me just leave this for now, so that later on I will check it, I will test it. If there is something wrong with it, then I will add. Very healthy. Try akara with custard. You can see it over there. Try akara with custard. Very healthy, guys. Yes, let me take these pieces. I love it. Delicious. I love all these pieces. This is breakfast. So good. You can eat akara with bread. You can take with custard. Maybe you're in Africa, you can take it with akamu pad. Guys, look at it. Look at it, guys. But here, what we always see, but some people do it the traditional way of custard, but I always get this custard. Guys, let me show you guys. You see how the akara look like? Okay, let's wait. Let me get the camera closer. You see it, guys. You see it. Guys, you can see the akara. It's almost ready, guys. You can see it. Yes, I will stop here, then I will show you how I'm going to do my custard. After then I will bring the akara and everything together so that you guys will see how it look. Okay, guys, thank you. On the akara side. Hello guys, yes, you can see the akara is very almost ready, guys. Guys, you can see this one over here, dark brown. You can see this one, the normal akara. I put this one over here on the what is it called on the oven. I put it on the oven to take out some oil inside, guys. I put it inside to dry it out. Guys, you see the custard. I've already put the custard. I've already put it. I've already mixed it with water. I've already mixed it with water, guys. Yes. Okay, guys. Without wasting your time, let's take this one to here. Let's bring out this over here and try to off these, guys. Are you seeing it? This is how we are going to do it to get our custard. Guys. Okay, now you are going to pour this one until we start to take. Look at it. Look at it. We have got our custard. You will start turning it. Yes, for you to make sure you get it right. After turning it like this, you have to put it here on top. I don't know if it's going to get, but I have to be careful. I have to hide. You put it like this and start to turn it to get it more thicker, well cooked and well prepared. You are going to make sure the fire is very hot. Then you do it like this. Why you do this? This will give you the final face. This will now give you the final face. Yes, it's done. Right now you add a little salt. Yeah, you add just a little salt. Just a little salt to it. Just a little salt to it. Then you add your sugar. I don't know the main sugar. I have to test it because we have the main sugar. We have sugar supplement. I don't know the main sugar and the sugar supplement over here. I have to call the case. I have to call them to let me know the main sugar. Let me use the main sugar for them, not the supplement. Okay, guys, you see everything is ready. I have to put my sugar, put this, and then get it done, guys. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you are watching up to here, please, I'm going to show you the final face, but thank you so much for watching, guys. Hello, guys. Yes, we are done. Look at the custard over here. You see the custard and the powder milk over here. This is the air fryer Akara, guys. This is direct from fry pan to here, guys. Look at it. Oh my god, guys, you see how it look? You see how this Akara look, guys? Come join me. Let's eat together. Let's enjoy this together, guys. Let's enjoy it together. Thank you so much for watching. If you are watching up to here, please share this video. See you in my next video. Bye.